Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will tell you about Italy government scholarship, the University of Bologna. That is also a fully funded program. The oldest university in Italy, the University of Bologna Italy government scholarship for the academic year 2022 and 2023 is now open. This is one of the best scholarships in Italy for international students. The international students can apply for the bachelor degree program and master degree program funded by the Italian government scholarship. The Bologna University ranked 160 in the world and as well as 69 and first in Italy. So this is number one ranked university in Italy. And I have to tell you more information about Italy. The capital of Italy is Rome. The first university in the world is the University of Bologna. Italy was founded in 1088. Studying and living in Italy is very cheap. The University of Bologna scholarship for international students is available in all academic fields and majors and open to all international students. Admission to an Italian university is not hard. They are offering 2 to 1 different courses and specialization fields in science, engineering, medical, arts, mathematics and other social sciences subjects also available. Besides this, it is one of the leading academic institutions in Italy and Europe. This is one of the highest paid scholarship in Italy. This scholarship is fully funded by the government of Italy. So some details about University of Bologna Italy government scholarship program. The country host is Italy and the degree program are bachelor, master, combined bachelor and master degree program. Award The award funded by Italy government scholarship for international students. The deadline is 30 April 2022 for bachelor degree scholarship program and the deadline is 31st March 2022 for master degree program. Duration of this scholarship. The bachelor program is launched for 4 years and the master program is launched for 1 or 2 years. Financial coverage. The University of Bologna offers bachelor and master in Italy to deserving international students who wish to register for first cycle, second cycle or single cycle degree program at the University of Bologna to study in Italy for full of free. They will cover your full tuition fee and yearly allowance of €11,000 and monthly living expenses. Available courses and majors for bachelor degree. There are 63 total bachelor courses which include economics and management, education, engineering and architecture, humanities, language and literature, interpreting and translation, law, medicine, pharmacy and biotechnology, political sciences, sociology, sport sciences and statistics. And in master degree courses, there are 79 total courses which include agriculture and food sciences, economics and management, education, engineering and architecture, humanity, language and literature, interpreting and translation, law, medicine, pharmacy and biotechnology, political sciences, sociology, sport sciences, statistics, and veterinary medicine. So, in combined bachelor and master degree list total of 9 courses which include education, engineering and architecture, law, medicine, pharmacy and biotechnology, and veterinary medicine. The eligibility criteria. All international students are eligible where they belong from European country or non-European. Both are eligible for this scholarship program. Both are eligible for this scholarship program. Italian students are also eligible to apply for this Italy scholarship. Application have to pass SAT test for bachelor scholarship and GRE test for master scholarship before the deadline. So it means that you have to submit your SAT and GRE result. If you are applying for bachelor program, then you have to submit your SAT result score. And if you are applying for master, then you have to pass your GRE exams and put the marks there. The application age should not be more than 30 years. The SAT and GRE are aptitude and skill assessment tests that can be taken in authorized centers in several countries around the world. The tests are in English. You must register for the tests on the websites of managing institution. So the deadline is more important. The last date to apply for the University of Bologna Italy Government Scholarship 2022 is 30 April 2022 for the bachelor students and 31st March 2022 for the master students. How to apply? So you have to visit the official website. So click on here. So these are the information I have tell you. So now we are going to apply. So you have to click on the application must be submitted exclusively through Student I Online. So after that you have to register yourself, log in to register because you are new applicant. So registration will take study, so you don't have register yourself. You are international student, so you have to log in from here, international students registration. So here this is your first page, personal data form. So guys, after clicking the next, this is your summary. So here you have to put the read and enter the check code. I put it, and listen and enter the check code. So 2252. So after that, next. So your registration has been completed successfully. Here are your username and password for accessing a University of Bologna online service. So this is my username and password. So to the next. No, I can log in. Enter. So sign in here. Your email address and your password here. So after putting this information, you can sign in from here. So guys, after that you can log in from here, and after sign in from here, reason of my making these videos to understand you people that how you can apply. So you can apply. I made it easy for you. So go on.